Okay, guys, this is a highly kept and guarded secret. How to make the bird bombs. We don't want my competitors doing them. These are just yummy. Marinated chicken breasts, pepper jack cheese, Mountain View, Oklahoma made hot link. Guys, these are available everywhere in other states, so if you're smoking, you better go find some. These are the best. If there's something better, I'd use it. Never found anything better. Okay, guys, here's what the smoking bird bomb looks like. Well, oh wait, oh hang on, what? How rude of me. Morning, everybody. Morning from Cookson, Oklahoma, Lake Tenkiller. Saturday. It's going to be a great day. Oh, as a customer says, it's going to be a fabulous day. So we're cooking for you.